Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to see send friend requests on Snapchat. So first you have to make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. And then here you have to go to your settings and you will see here your friends, right? Basically, you will not see an option here that says send a friend request. So if you go to add friends, and then all you can see here is those people who have added you and those people or suggested people to your contacts that you can add. So the question is, how are you going to see or know the see sent friend request on Snapchat? So what you're going to do now, what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to add a friend request to someone. So for example, this Ralph right here, I click add. When I tap this, there is no notification that says I have added this person or sent request, something like that. So what you're going to do here is you have to remember the name of that person and basically go to the conversation. So if I tap this conversation right here, you will see this check icon. I mean, blue person with a check icon. That means I have sent a friend request to this person right here. So this is how you will know if you have sent a friend request to this person. You have to know, you have to remember that person's name in order for you to see or check that you have sent a friend request to him or her. If not, then there is no option here, a feature here that you can see that you have sent a friend request to this person. So I have to go to the message or conversation and then see this person with a blue icon right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.